Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see text to speech tool with natural Hindi English voices, which is completely free. To do this, first of all open your browser and then search for click camp, then open that link and click on try for free. Then scroll down a little bit, you will see create a video. There you go, click on that. On the left side you will see record and create, click on that and select text to speech. On the right side you have the languages, whichever language you want to choose. There are varieties of languages from Hindi to Chinese and a lot of languages. You can choose whichever language you want your text to speech. For now, I'm choosing English, Australian. Then type anything you want, and from the middle of your screen, you can click on the play button to play the text to speech. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.